Dear students, good morning. Today we are going to see about the theory of equations. Having reached the 12th standard, we should know the difference between expression and equation. Solving equations is the main aim of theory of equations. Now let us go into the details. Theory of equations. Let us understand this concept of theory of equations with an example problem. Question. If the sides of a cubic box are increased by 1, 2, 3 units respectively to form a cuboid, then the volume is increased by 52 cubic units. Find the volume of the cuboid. So this is the given question. Let us analyze the question before proceeding to the solution part. What are the objects given here? One is cube, other one is cuboid. So this cube is only transformed into a cuboid by means of increasing the length, breadth, height of the cuboid by 1, 2, 3 units respectively in comparison to cube. So if a cube has 10 units as one side, 10 plus 1, 11 units will be the cuboid size. Let us don't take any number for instance. We will generally solve this problem as per the basics of theory of equations. Let us go into the detail of the solution part to understand how to solve a theory of equation problem using this example problem. We are in the solution part now. To thoroughly understand all the given data and express this given data in the form of expression or equation as per the requirement. For solving this problem, we have to first assume one basic thing that is called x. Always in the theory of equation problem, the particular given data should be assumed to be x. The requirement should be assumed to be x, so that we express all the remaining portion in terms of this x and try to solve the problem for x. In this regard, we assume let the side of the cubic box is equal to x, because we are given two objects, one is cube, other one is cuboid. Therefore, what is the volume of the cube? X cube. Yes, it is correct, x cube. That's why it is given here. If the side is x, the volume of the cube is x cube, because side into side into side. That's why x cube is coming here. Now we are given the second object that is formed from the cube by means of increasing each side of the cube by 1, 2, 3. That is length, breadth and height. Therefore length becomes x plus 1, breadth becomes x plus 2 and finally height becomes x plus 3. That's why in the solution we have given the reason within the brackets. Since sides are increased by 1, 2, 3 units respectively, given data. Therefore, what is the volume of a cuboid? Length into breadth into height. What are the length, breadth, height? X plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3. So these are the initially given data in the question. We can see in the question, if the sides of the cube are increased by 1, 2, 3 to form a cuboid, so this initial data has been expressed fully in terms of x and expressions. All these are called expressions. We are yet to equate to the second given data. Now, all of you concentrate on the second given data in the question. As per the question, this cuboid volume is equal to volume of cube plus 52. Now, let us see the question again. The second given data in the question is very, very important for solving the theory of equations. We can see here, the volume is increased by 52 cubic units. So what is the meaning? What we have to express? In what way we have to express this in the answer? As per the question, this cuboid, the newly formed object, the secondly formed object cuboid, the new object's volume is equal to the original volume of cube plus 52. What is the original volume of the cube we have here? X cube. So this x cube plus 52. But as per expression, what is the volume? X plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3. Therefore, these two are equal. Volume of the cuboid as per formula is equal to volume of the cuboid as per the second given data in the question. So x plus 1 into x plus 2 into x plus 3 is becoming equal to x cube plus 52. So the formation of this particular equation as per the total given data. So this particular equation I have put therefore no here consists of satisfying both given datas from the question. What are the two given datas? The new volume is increased by 1, 2, 3. That is also included here. This new volume is equal to cube volume plus 52. So this is the second given data here. So this particular expression satisfies both the given data from the question. Now our simple task is to simply solve the problem. So in this regard, we are multiplying x plus 1 with x plus 2 and get a quadratic here. So x square plus 3x plus 2 into x plus 3 is equal to the right hand side. The right hand side remains the same, x cube plus 52. Now if we further multiply this x plus 3 with this quadratic, we are getting x cube plus 3x square plus 2x plus 3x square plus 9x plus 6 is equal to the same right hand side, x cube plus 52. Now we are bringing this x cube plus 52 to the left hand side. So x cube and minus x cube gets cancelled and this 52 becomes minus 52 here. If we further simplify, we are getting 6x square minus 12x plus 23x minus 46 equal to 0. And if we observe this one clearly, the common items we can take outside, that is 6x we can take outside from these first two terms. Therefore x minus 2 comes in the bracket. Here if we take 23 outside, x minus 2 remains in the bracket and equating to 0. So from this step onwards, how to solve the problem, that is how to get the x value, let us see now. Hope all of you have taken a paper and tried to solve this step. Now we are illustrating this. So what we had in the last step is 6x of x minus 2 plus 23 of x minus 2 is equal to 0. It means that either x minus 2 is 0 or 6x plus 23 is equal to 0. Here it is very easy. X is equal to 2. Whereas here it is x is equal to minus 23 by 6. Which is not possible because the side of the objects cannot be a negative value. Side of cube or cuboid cannot be a negative value. Therefore, the final answer, that is the value of x is 2 only. This 2 is the acceptable value. Now, what is asked in the question? Finding the value of x is not the ultimate aim. Further, we have to find the volume of cuboid. As per the second given data in the question, what is the volume of cuboid? It is equal to volume of cube plus 52. Therefore, x cube plus 52. So, x is 2. Therefore, 2 cube is 8. 8 plus 52, that is nothing but 60 cubic units. So, in this way, we have to solve the theory of equation problems. Normally, the theory of equation problems are given in the word format. So, converting and expressing this entire story available in the question in the form of expression and equations are very important. In this particular step, we have to substitute the formula like what we did in this typical example, volume of cube, volume of cuboid formula into the expression, into the formation of new equations is a very essential step. Thank you. Okay students, the typical example just now we solved is an excellent example of a 5-mark problem, or sometimes this one comes in the 2-mark problem or 3-mark problem also. A portion of this comes in 2-mark or 3 marks also. Hope you understood the theory of equation problem very well. Thank you.